So mount your camera on a tripod using portrait mode. After that, record an empty space for a few seconds. Then you walk into the scene, turn as if you want to greet someone. Then you start your movement and make a walk for some few seconds again. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and locate your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop new updates. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Import the video you just recorded. Then you can click on the video, go and locate volume and reduce the sound. That is if you like. This one is by choice. Then you click on the video. You need an empty background. Click on the video, make a split. Then you come and look for overlay. Look for overlay. Then you add an overlay. Click on the video and drag it to the beginning of the empty space. Then you come back now. You come front. Click on this empty space. Go and look for freeze. Look for freeze. Freeze. Look for freeze, guys. This is freeze. Click on freeze. Then click on it and drag it to cover the second layer. Then you come back. Then you adjust the video to this place where you started working. Yeah, here. Click on the video now. Click on the second layer video, click on it. Add keyframe, yes. Then you come and click on splice. Click on splice. At this place, don't click anything here. Just adjust this video. Adjust the video. Then come and click on this line and reduce it to 70. Yes, reduce it to 70. Then you adjust the video again. Adjust the video again. Reduce it to 50. Reduce it to 50. Yes, 50. Then you adjust the video again. Reduce it to 25. Reduce it to 25. Yes. After you reduce it to 25, then you adjust the video again. Then you adjust it, finish. Reduce it, finished. Yes. Then you move front again. Adjust it to the front. Adjust it. Then come and mark. Click on this good here. Click on it. Come and click on the video. Click on the second layer. Make a split. Click on the first layer. Make a split. Delete the first layer. Click on this one. Delete it as well. Now our video is ready. Let us see what we have got. Let's see what we have got. Let's see what we have got, guys. Yes, this is good. So at this point now, our video is ready. The next thing we shall be doing is to export the video to our gallery. So you come and click on this export and export your video to your gallery. Now you can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend this video to other subscribers, viewers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Support us to grow. Yes, locate your notification bell and click on it so that you'll be notified whenever we drop new and amazing updates. Thank you. Stay safe.